Hi guys, today's video is going to be discussing sinking funds. Basically, we're going to discuss what are sinking funds, the purpose of sinking funds. So if you're interested in learning about budgeting, the Dave Ramsey baby steps, cash envelopes, go ahead. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel by clicking that red subscription button right above. Hi guys, welcome to the Thrifty Life of Sissy. My name is Sandra. Today's video, we're gonna discuss sinking funds. Before I get started, I'd like to thank any new subscribers as well as any new viewers, returning viewers, and returning subscribers to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. Okay, so we're gonna be, like I said, we're gonna discuss sinking funds. And I wanted to share this because I had got a couple questions in regard and a couple requests about making a video over sinking funds. So the very first thing I suggest in the first thing is when to start sinking funds. The very first thing you want to do before starting a sinking fund is make sure make a monthly budget. The monthly budget will help you determine how much money you have left out of paying all bills. After all bills are paid, remaining amount can be applied to debt and sinking funds, and that is how I do mine. Okay, so once again, when to start a sinking fund, first you're going to make sure you have a monthly budget. That monthly budget is going to ensure that you have all your bills paid, and it will tell you how much money you have remaining to either pay so much toward debt and then put so much towards your sinking funds. It's all up to you on how you want to do it. Some people put money in their sinking funds and put the remaining in debt, and others do it vice versa. Put a certain amount toward debt every month, and whatever is left, they put it towards the sinking fund. But to each its own. Okay. What are sinking funds? What are sinking funds? Okay. Sinking funds can be something that is unexpected. So basically, a sinking fund can be created for unexpected occurrences, such as my car repair. This is right now, it's just happened to me. Matter of fact, I got a call yesterday from the dealership. I took my car in Wednesday, got a call from the dealership, told me yesterday it's going to be $11.75 for the transmission control module that regulates my speed. So that $11.75 is including part and labor. So that was a really unexpected fee. So if you have an auto or car maintenance sinking fund, that whatever's in that sinking fund can be applied to that unexpected event, sorry. Something is irregular. Okay, so something's irregular, you know that basically you know you will need this money. But it's not every month. But it's not a regular fee. So irregular could be, again, it could be car maintenance. Well, what about your inspection stickers or your not inspection stickers. Well, we have inspection stickers, but registration fees for your car. That's once a year in Texas. So you know that's gonna occur, but it's irregular because it's only once a year. So that could be another occurrence, your registration fees, which will come out of, once again, the car maintenance fees. um predictable, a predictable, you know you're gonna be needing this money, a predictable. What is something that is predictable that happens every year? Every year. We know it's gonna happen. And that is Christmas. Christmas comes everywhere, every year. And if you celebrate Christmas, you already know you're gonna spend, you may spend money. Some people may not spend money. But if you buy gifts and stuff for Christmas, why wait until August to start putting stuff in layaway? Why not go ahead and create a Christmas fund? That way you will not go into debt, going to borrowing money, getting loans, or anything like that, or charging on your credit cards. You know Christmas is coming. You know you're going to celebrate Christmas. So why not go ahead and save early for it? It's stress free. It will help reduce so much, eliminate so much stress. I've been having a Christmas fund for about 3 years now, and it is so wonderful. Okay, the next thing are categories. Now, what type of categories are you going to have, or should you consider? My first category that I always consider for myself is needs. What do I need to save for that I know is going to happen? And property tax. Being a homeowner, you're going to have property tax annually. So it's good to save for property taxes. You may need tires for your car. It's not no may. You will need tires for your car. Some may need tires faster than others, just depending on your driving and stuff. But you're going to need tires. All change. Things like that. You know you're going to need that. Another sinking fund I have is medical. And I call it a sinking fund because I use the Text Flex. And I put like 20, I think the max you can put is like 26 or 25. But whatever the max is, I max it out. So it's like, let's say 2,600 a year. I put that on my Text Flex, and I consider that a sinking fund for my medical because I can use that to pay my co-payments, prescriptions, for eyeglasses, contacts, just anything. Dental visits. The second thing you would need to consider is your wants. Why go into debt trying to purchase your wants when you can just save up for the things that you would like to purchase, such as, and I have made this a thing that we're going to do every year, is take a vacation. So that is definitely a want. It's not a need. A vacation is a want. Gifts. So that could be like Christmas gifts, birthdays gifts. I have 2 sinking funds. A Christmas sinking fund as well as a regular gift sinking fund for like birthdays, anniversaries, Valentine's Day, things like that. And then clothes. You know, maybe you purchase clothes on a regular basis often. So it's a want. It's something that you're going to want to do. So go ahead and save the money. Like I said, instead of going and getting loans and charging on your credit card, go ahead and save the money. Okay? And then the next thing you're going to do is determine the amount you will put in each one. So this is a good example. My Christmas fund, I save $1,000. So no, it's 1,200. Sorry, I say 1,200, and I divide that. You can divide it by 12 because it's 12 months in a year, and it will tell you how much you need to put every month. So it'll come out to $100. But I had this Christmas challenge where you can do different increments too. But I'm just using this as a quick example. Now, if you get paid weekly, just divide that by 4, and they give you $25 a week. Or bi-weekly would be, bi-monthly would be every 2 weeks, would be 2. So it'd be $50 every 2 weeks, bi-monthly. This would be weekly. This is monthly. So this is how you determine how much you're going to save per month, per week for your sinking funds. Another example would be vacation. Going to the Bahamas. $1,800 divide 12. 1,800 divide 12 is $150 a month. And like I said, if you get paid monthly, bi-monthly, which is every 2 weeks, divided by 2. If you get paid weekly, divide that by 4. And then property tax. So your property tax, my property tax, it'd be like $2,500 a year. Divide that by 12 instead of waiting until I get them and then have to scramble to pay it because I know it's coming. So it's like $208.33. So just say $209 a month. And then, like I said, if you get paid bi-monthly every 2 weeks, divide that by 2. If you get paid weekly, divide that by 4, and they'll give you the weekly amount you need to contribute to it. This time I'm keeping my money in you can keep it in cash envelopes. You can put it in the bank. I have mine in bank accounts, but to each his own. If you put it in a bank, it does draw a little interest, like the Capital One 360 savings, and I'll try to remember to click add a link at the bottom, and I think maybe if you use my link, you'll get a referral and I'll get a referral too. But you can have quite a few accounts through Capital One, and it draws pretty good interest too, and you can link it to your regular bank account as well, so you can just transfer the money back and forth if need be. I hope you found something useful out of my video. I would greatly appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time, bye-bye.